Glammers, I'm Anna, and get ready to fall in love with our October Morphe Me collection. This month you'll be receiving 3 face brushes to create some flawless looks for the season. If you want to know how to use these babies, keep on watching. To start off this fall look, I'm taking my LiveGlam Marbled L.A. palette and applying a warm brown on my crease. For more definition, I'm taking a dense pointed brush and applying a deep brown. Then, I'm blending out my crease with the fluffy brush. Next, I'm taking a silver shimmer and applying it on the inner half of my lids, and then layering that with a gold shimmer. Then, I'm going back with a warm brown to blend everything out. For some drama, I'm applying a winged eyeliner and setting it with a black eyeshadow so it doesn't budge. To complete the eyes, I'm adding some fierce lashes. Then, sweeping that warm brown on my lower lash line. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the E51 angled powder brush and contouring my cheeks. With that same brush, I'm also adding blush. Next, I'm taking the E16 angled contour brush and adding more definition to my cheeks, then blending it out with the E51. With that same contour brush, I'm also contouring my forehead and blending it out with the E51. Now for the nose. This brush is perfect for getting that snatched nose contour. Lastly, I'm taking the E60 highlight fan brush and highlighting my nose and cheeks to get that perfect fall glow. To complete this scrumptious look, I'm applying my LiveGlam lippie in Pumpkin Pie from the October Kiss Me collection. After you try out our October brushes, make sure you give us a tag on Instagram for a chance to get reposted. Stay glam and happy fall!